Only a few more adjustments and the Auto Adjuster 3000 will be complete. If only there were a machine to do this for me. Huh? Where's my shifting spanner? My babies!
Welcome to my world. My baby!
Well, I have been working on some pretty awesome inventions. Introducing the hover cycle. Science is so interesting. Taste my Hyper Exo Matifier! It works! It actually works! Brown. Sonic, it's urgent! Get over here! What took you so long? Some of my stuff's gone missing.
Did you check under there?
Under where?
Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and go to your happy place. Let's practice that right now. Well, we're sticking around to free Sonic, but until then, one of us needs to be in charge.
Good thinking, Amy. I'll be in charge.
You? I'm in charge.
I don't trust anyone in charge.
I know. Why don't we all be in charge?
No!
You know, we haven't seen Eggman in a while. I'm gonna check up on him.
Sonic Speed Boost Experiment, take 1. Slingshot. Everyone ready?
Ready!
Ready?
Tails, are you sure this is safe?
Oh, right. Almost forgot. There's only one person evil enough to do this. Eggman! Oh, underwear. I get it.
Fine. If we can't decide who's in charge, we'll split up. Who wants to be on Team Amy?
Are you sure about this, Tails? You know how Styx is about machines.
But this thing runs on natural energy. Yours. It's better than going green. It's going blue.
Say when.
When? We should be fine, as long as there aren't any booby traps.
Smooth move, Fox Boy.
Amy leads Team Amy. Knuckles leads Team Knuckles.
Wait, there's a Team Knuckles now?
Can I be on both teams?
No!
I like a guy who's handy.
What? Who? What? Huh?
Did we wake you?
No, I was just resting my eyes.
You really dropped the ball. Not cool. I have to go battle Eggman. You better stay here where it's completely safe. On second thought, come with me. What? Who? What? Huh? I'm up.
Yes, very convincing. Look, if we all pretend that you weren't sleeping, will you help us? Let's go over it one more time. Who's leading us right now?
Me.
We're not getting anywhere like this. Maybe I should be in charge.
No!
I think these may be yours. We, found them in the woods.
My babies! Don't worry. I kept your room exactly the way you left it.
Your friend's a little intense. It's clear he has an unhealthy attachment to you.
And you should know. Because you took that psychology class. When we get home, I have ice cream. I meant for you and me.
I'm so mad at you, Tails.
Why? Wait! We forgot to end on a joke.